Dear learners, our solutions are suggestions. Solutions provided by us are our suggestions. So we'll move on to Big 10 Assignment 10 for the course Software Engineering. Why is it necessary to test a large program at three different levels, unit, integration as well as system levels, rather than testing only at the system level? So our suggestion is option C. It reduces the debugging effort. Second one, so they have given condition and action. Variable is input variable is A, output variable is B. So A less than 10 and A greater than 80. A for that B equal to B plus 10 and A equal to 30, B equal to B plus 20. For A equal to 20, B is equal to B plus 30. So the question is how many valid equivalence, equivalence test cases are required. So our suggestion is option A, 3 test cases are required. Third one, for the given above equation, for the above tabular column, only one is taken, that is A less than 10 or A greater than 10, which, and the action is B equal to B plus 10. So here what is required is how many boundary value test cases are required, and our suggestion is option A 5. Fourth one, consider a function named solver that solves a quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are floating point numbers. At least how many test cases are needed for strong equivalence class testing? Strong equivalence class testing of the function solver, considering only valid equivalence classes. Our suggestion is 3. And for the fifth one, so for the fifth one, consider a function named compute grade that computes the grade of a student based on his attendance and the total marks obtained out of 100. If the attendance is below 80%, the student is assigned F grade, irrespective of the marks scored. If the attendance of a student is 80% or more, the student with the mark M is assigned a grade from EX extraordinary, A grade, B grade, C grade, D grade, P grade and F grade, depending upon the whether if M is greater than 99% or M is 90% is greater than M and M is greater than 79%, 80% is greater than M and M is greater than 69%, 70% is greater than M and M is greater than 59%, 60% is greater than M and M is greater than 49%, 50 is greater than M and M is greater than 29, or M is less than 30. And they are asking for at least how many test cases are needed for the decision table. So the option, our suggestion is option C, 8. Sixth one, scenario coverage testing can be considered to be which one of the following types of testing strategies? Our suggestion is equivalence partitioning based testing, suggestion C, 6th C. Seventh one, so seventh one similar to the fifth one. So the according to us, the suggestion seventh one is option E, 10. Eighth one, and suppose a untested program was determined to contain 640 bugs. 3 different testing techniques were applied to test the code. Each testing technique is effective to detect 50% of the bugs that exist before the concerned testing technique is applied. While fixing a bug after the application of a test strategy, there is 50% chance of creating another bugs. How many bugs would exist in the code after the 3 testings and bug fixing cycles have been carried out? So according to us, our calculation, so we got 270 option B. This is our solution. Ninth one, which one of the following types of bugs may not get detected in the black box testing but are likely to be detected by the white box testing? It is Trojans. Option C, Trojans. 10th question, suppose a function named try takes 2 boolean variables as input. How many valid equivalence class can be designed for the black box testing of the function try? Our suggestion is 2, option A. option A. Thank you viewers.